Hi. Good morning, officer.
Good morning. Could you pass me your I-20 and your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Why do you want to study now?
I wanted to study now because I would like to bridge the skill gap for career growth.
What university are you going to?
University of Oregon Law School, sir.
Are you going there for your master's?
Yes. I had my bachelor's in laws from Bhutan, and I am going for my Master of Laws program.
What law will you be studying?
International law, primarily, sir.
How many schools did you apply to?
I'd applied to 3 universities.
Which are?
University of Michigan, Wisconsin State University, and Lewis and Clark College.
What is your highest level of education?
I completed my bachelor's in law from University Chennai.
When did you complete your degree?
I completed it in May 2019.
What have you been doing in between?
I worked for a 10-people law firm named SSK Law Firm here in Chennai.
It says here in your I-20 that your education is being sponsored. Who's sponsoring your education?
My father is sponsoring my education.
What is your parents' occupation?
My father is running a fertilizer business, and my mother has rental properties.
What is your parents' annual income?
$20,000 per year.
Did you apply for a loan?
Yes, the loan is conditionally sanctioned. It will be ready in 2 to 3 weeks.
So, what are your plans after graduate studies?
My plan is to either explore the PhD path which my program offers, and then if I continue to work, I will return home and probably rejoin SSK Law Firm because they are planning to expand on the international law market.
What are your GPA and GRE scores?
Yes, my GPA is 64% and GRE is 297.
Are you planning to travel internationally before traveling to the USA?
No plans at all.
Which countries have you traveled to in the distant past?
I have traveled to Hong Kong, Thailand, China, and Malaysia for the last 4 years.
Why did you choose the University of Oregon?
There are a few reasons. First, Oregon was the only school that offered me a full scholarship, which covers everything from my tuition to my fees to my living expenses to health insurance, out of all the schools that I had applied to. Also because I wanted to study with two of the professors of international law there. Professor Johnny Cage, who, by the way, used to work for the State Department before he came into academics. And second, Professor Liu Kang, who is a former judge of the International Court of Justice. So I thought it'll be quite a thing to study international law with a former International Court of Justice judge.
Congratulations for getting the full scholarship. Your visa has been approved. You'll receive your passport at doorstep within 5 working days.
Thank you, sir. Thanks very much. The visa officers are there to help you. Don't think that they're there to reject you. They're trained to read your mind, and they are working in their country's best interests. Don't lie. Be genuine, sound genuine. They'll know it if you're genuine. Sometimes they can be fooled, too, for sure, for they're human beings, after all. But then it's highly likely that they'll catch you lying. Be very confident. Not overconfident, though. Appear gentle. Just be you. Before you go for the interview, take advice from people who've been through the process before. Talk to more people than just one. Watch YouTube videos before you get there. Know how it's gonna be like. Get all your documents, the visa appointment confirmation letters, DS-160 confirmation, your passport OFC, I-20, offer letters, scholarship letters, etc. will help too. Get the originals as far as possible, but at times, they'll be happy to see the printouts. Read about US immigration laws. Read about what type of visa F1 really is, etc. The visa officer won't be able to help you if you say that or you intend to stay back in the US to find jobs, do your startup, etc. Remember, visa officers are there to help you. Talk to them like you're talking to a normal human being. Not too formal, not too informal. Just be genuine and don't get scared. They're there to work in their country's best interests, but they're there also to help you.